Hey guys, welcome back to another Monster Firestorm video, and today I have another video for you guys about retired Monster Jam trucks. And today I have a list, small list of all sponsored, yes, sponsored retired Monster Jam trucks. And I'm gonna roll them all out for you guys after I stop talking. These are basically all the trucks that have ever been sponsors of Monster Jam that are now sadly retired. And yeah, some are recent, some are old. Let's see which ones they are. Hope you all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next Monster Firestorm video. Take care, everyone, and goodbye.